All right. What up, YouTube Detail World? We out here in Green Hills. We just finished this Land Rover Discovery. We knocked it out pretty fast because we did a technique that we usually don't do. Usually ring work on the inside. But this car never really dirty, but him helping me wash this car, it's like, man, we knocked this car within like 35 seconds. But if the car was dirty in the inside, I said 35 seconds, 35 minutes, but I believe if the car was dirty inside, ain't no way impossible we would have did it this fast. So, tried to get it done for her because she said she had to leave by 10:35, but it's approximately like 10:09. So, man, that's amazing. But like I said, it's your basic, you know what I mean? She definitely need a wax. I need to convince these people to let me put that ceramics coating on their car. But you know, when I tell people the price, they be like, like I said, I'm not dealing with a lot of multi-millionaires like that. Just got a few of them. But the rest of these people, just regular people, just like to have a car clean. Like this lady, she's just a regular old person with a nice car, like to clean. You know, she don't want to have to pay up to $1,000 or nothing like that. But I'm definitely one day just gonna come through here on a humble for some of these people who stay real consistent with me, man. On like one of those washes, man. I'm gonna just wax their car just for the free, man, because I appreciate them. You know what I mean? Got to call it Customer Appreciation Day. I know Employee Appreciation Day coming up. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and finish it up, let her know we done, head to this next stop. Next stop not too far from here, so that's a good YouTube Detail World. We made it to the second stop, which is this Cadillac Escalade. I need to see if she wanted waxed. If not, I'm not gonna really pressure her, but I'm definitely gonna ask her if she do, because I definitely needs it. But we're gonna go ahead and do the basic as always. It's been a while since I did her car. We were just here the other day doing those 2 Jeeps, but I know this car probably a little dirtier than usual because it's been a while. But it look like she got something she wastes right here. I'll probably pull out the extractor to hit that up right there. Look like some dog throw up. But other than that, everything else look pretty well. You know what I mean? We're gonna go ahead and holler at the man of the hour. How you doing today, man?
Hey, what's up? How y'all doing?
You got a word for us today, man?
Man, the word now, bro.
Come on, you gotta give us something.
Man, I'm off beat, man.
You off? Hey,
beat, man.
That's the word of the day. Off beat. Cause we didn't I just say something about that yesterday? We all don't have the best days, man. You know, life don't always gonna be sunshine and rainbows, man. You know, but today word is off beat, so we gonna get back on beat. Like yesterday, you heard when he said it's gonna be a new program, so he gotta understand that new program is gonna be on beat to get off beat. But you know, we're gonna go ahead and get this car done. You see the running board all dirty, but there go the man of the hour. We're gonna go ahead and finish doing what we're doing and knock out this car. But yeah, y'all just go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification, and y'all get back with me in a minute. I'll catch y'all in a second. Good afternoon, man. We just finished this Cadillac Escalade. Like I said, we just gonna make this wash. She said she didn't need it waxed. She told me she's definitely gonna get it waxed in April. But the car came out splendid. You know, she's definitely happy with the service. So we definitely finna head to this next stop. Let me show you what this interior look like. My man Rennie knocked it out. You know, it's good to have him here. But like I said, you know, all the interior knocked out. Remember, it was something right there. It's gone. But the whole total clean seats, consoles, everything completely knocked out. Only thing I could probably say that's not done properly is that it do need a wax job. But other than that, man, the car came out good. Next stop not too far from here. We probably gonna go get some lunch first. You know what I mean? Cause it is lunchtime, I'm a little hungry. Yeah, I'm a little sweaty because it's 70-some degrees right now. It's a little hot. But like I said, we just finished this Cadillac Escalade, man. Car came out great. Everything like that. And I appreciate everybody, man. Y'all definitely continue to hit the subscribe button, man. Appreciate anybody hit the comments. And let's get it going, man. Have a great day. I'll catch y'all later. Alright, good afternoon, y'all. We out here at this third stop. We're about to do this BMW. We sat here for a little bit waiting on her, but she here now. We're about to go ahead and knock it out. It's a little dirty. Dirtier than what's expected. She go to a farm a lot in this car. So this car like sometimes have hay, debris in it, things of that nature. Don't lock, so give me a minute. Hey, Randy, you get a chance, you'll lock, shut that sunroof. But if you see the inside, you see how I got the debris, a little dirty in the inside, you know. These people be reckless with these cars, man. All right. Detail world, we just finished this BMW 750i. Just your basic maintenance clean, maintenance wash. Rennie's still in the inside, he almost done. She wants the trunk clean, everything done. See, the wheels are very clean. They was very dirty when we first got here, but man, we making progress. Like I said, it's a beautiful day today. It's like 77 degrees. We taking advantage of this weather. Hopefully it lasts a little bit longer than what it usually lasts. Sometimes the Tennessee weather be a little bit iffy, but other than that, man, you know, pollen already dropping. Walked outside, my whole car was covered in green. So let you know the pollen's already dropping, let you know spring is among us. You know what I mean? But yeah, we just finished this 750i. It's a beautiful car. You know what I mean? It's a very beautiful car. I like these things. They're pretty fast too. But I appreciate y'all, man. Like always, man. We out here getting it in Green Hills, Nashville, Brentwood, Cool Springs, Franklin. We just out here in Tennessee, man. But if y'all definitely, man, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, like, share. Do what you gotta do. I'm gonna do what I gotta do. And it's a vlog of a detailer. We day something, but this is the end results right here. This is the end result, last car today, and I'll catch y'all later, man. Peace.